Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an empties video, which I'm really excited about. Don't mind the way I'm looking, I just had a shower and honestly today I just wasn't vibing makeup. It's a Sunday night, I'm in my nice cozy pajamas, I just had a shower, my hair's all fresh, I've just done my skincare, moisturised my whole body, and I'm just feeling the really kind of cozy winter vibes. So I thought I'd do like a pretty chill video with you guys today and just sit down and talk to you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited because this year my goal has been to use up more product. I have only purchased makeup twice this year. Once was the mystery boxes from Glam Reader, and the second time was when I went to Melbourne. I think that's all anyway. I haven't been buying makeup unless I'm buying it for giveaways and stuff like that. So I'm feeling really proud of myself, and yeah, I'm glad I finally have some empties to share with you. So let's get started. I don't have as many as your typical YouTuber does, but I have a decent amount. So let's get into it. Okay, so first was the Goldwell Just Smooth Taming Shampoo. Before I had the shampoo, I just used like regular kind of supermarket stuff. And I always see this debate of like supermarket shampoo is awful and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I mean, probably it's not the best for you, but the thing is, this shampoo is expensive, and I understand that not everyone can afford to put that much into their hair, do you know what I mean? And honestly, I never cared about my hair. I never bought any products for it or invested in it or anything like that. And now that I'm in a position where I can afford to do that kind of thing, that's what I've been doing, and it's honestly been working so well. My hair has actually come such a long way. Like, it used to be so dead and just so gross, and it would snap off all the time. And yeah, it wasn't until I started using some good shampoo and investing in those higher end products that I've actually noticed such a huge difference. And it's crazy, like I really didn't think that it would make that much of a difference, but it really has. I wish I could, I mean, I feel like I should insert some photos, but I'm really kind of bad with that kind of stuff. I don't really know how to do that. But I'm still bleaching my hair. Obviously I get it done at like a salon, and my hair's the healthiest it's ever been. It also grew so much, like I can't even explain. Like, my hair is so long, and I've even just had it cut off, and it's still so long and so healthy. So yeah, honestly, investing in shampoo, such a simple thing, but it's really, really beneficial. And this bottle has, these last me, because I bought these off Salon Style, I think, and that's a website. And this bottle is a litre, and it lasted me probably a good, I'd say like 3 to 6 months. I feel like that's a pretty different time frame. I'd say more around the 4 to 5 month mark. I feel like it lasted me a very long time. I wash my hair probably once or twice a week. And yeah, I just really love this. So this one here is the Just Smooth Taming Shampoo from Goldwell. I think it's amazing. So yeah, couldn't recommend that enough. Obviously, everyone's hair's a bit different. The reason I got the Just Smooth one is because my hair is quite curly and frizzy. So I thought, like, you know, smooth sounds good to me. So that's what I got. Now onto a shampoo that I do not recommend, which is also by Goldwell. This is the Scalp Specialist Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, and I just found that this just didn't work for me. But in saying that, I haven't really found one yet that does. So this might work for you, it might not. But yeah, my dandruff is pretty bad. I feel like it's getting worse, which is really annoying. It's starting to get to the point where it's actually like where I'm itching it, and it's getting itchy and stuff. Like, it used to just be like the dry scalp, and now it's actually like itchy and all that kind of stuff, which is really annoying. I'm trying out the Head and Shoulders one at the moment. I know that's from the supermarket, but I haven't heard good things, so I'm hoping that that one works. But yeah, this Scalp Specialist didn't really do anything. My hairdresser did recommend one by Matrix, so judging on how the Head and Shoulders one goes, I might try the Matrix one out next. But yeah, I didn't really vibe with this very much. This is the Scalp Specialist Anti-Dandruff Shampoo from Goldwell, and yeah, I just didn't really love it. If you guys do have any recommendations for anti-dandruff shampoos, let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate that. Okay, this doesn't look like much anymore, but this is the LeBang Vanilla Body Scrub. Like, wow, that's crazy. The whole like label has come off. It's still at the top, which is lucky that that's still there, because I wouldn't have known what it is. This is the Fluffy Body Scrub from LeBang, and yeah, this one's in the scent vanilla. I have quite a few of these actually, and I do really like this. It is a pretty harsh scrub. It's a bit more abrasive than, it's more of like, I don't know, you know how you have some more kind of like scrubs that are more, I don't know. This one's more on the abrasive side is what I'm saying. I'd probably use this once to twice a week. 1 to 2 times a week. I don't know. But yeah. It's really nice. I really like the scent of it. I think it works really well. It is more on that abrasive side. So yeah, I use it just a little bit less. I have like 5 other scents of this that I need to use up. But yeah, I do really like this. And I do really like most of LeBang's products. I do really like... yeah, LeBang Body. I do really like their products. So this one makes me really sad but also happy. This is the Soap and Glory, the breakfast scrub, the Smoothie Star. It's oat, shea butter and sugar body smoother. This one is a lot less abrasive. It's still really good at exfoliating, but it's like, it's a bit more of like, not super harsh. I don't know how to explain it. This is one of my all-time favorites body scrubs. It smells so amazing. Oh my god. And it is always sold out. It is always sold out. I got mine from Mecca. Soap and Glory is a UK brand, I'm pretty sure. So I get mine from Mecca and it's always sold out. I wonder if it's on the website at the moment. Let's have a look. Ooh, I think it's actually in stock at the moment, which is awesome. So yeah, even on the Mecca website, it's rated super highly. It's got a 4.9 star review with 530 reviews. And let's see, it has 1 1-star review, 1 2-star review, 6 3-star reviews, 55 4-star reviews, and 467 5-star reviews. So you guys can tell it's a cult favorite. It's really loved. It's amazing. I love this so much, and it's only $16, which I just find is such an awesome price. Guys, I got this, god, I don't even know. I feel like I know it's definitely a year old. I feel like it might even be 2 years old. Like, I know that's probably bad, but you know, anyway. And it lasted forever. I've obviously only just used it up. It smells amazing. I love this scrub. It's so good. I can't wait to repurchase it. And as soon as I use up a few more products, I would definitely be repurchasing this one. Cannot recommend it enough. If there's one thing you buy from this video, buy this. Okay, I used up the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel or Vanilla Bean Noel Bath Salt Soak, and this makes me so sad once again because I really loved these. They don't this is like a Christmas edition one. I love this scent. It's one of my all-time favorite scents, and I really enjoyed these bath salts. They were really nice, and I'm sad that they're not on the website because obviously it's limited edition. Oh, I can't stop smelling it. Yeah, I love it so much. It's they were so nice. I really love them. If you see them around Christmas time again, get your hands on them. They're so good. This here is the Royal Essence Raspberry Sorbet Bath Crumble. Now, for those of you who don't know, Royal Essence is the brand that has like little hidden jewelry in their products. They do like candles, like obviously bath crumbles. They do like whip soap, bath bombs, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, pretty much all of their products have a mini piece of jewelry, not a mini, what am I saying? A hidden piece of jewelry in their products, and it is amazing. So yeah, this is the Raspberry Sorbet Bath Crumble. It smells really good. Honestly, this kind of product, I didn't really notice a whole lot in the bath. Honestly, when I have a bath, I put in such a huge combo of products that this probably gets overpowered every time that I've used it. But in saying that, it was really nice. You know, it smells good. But I think the most exciting thing about this product is obviously the fact that there is some jewelry in it, some hidden jewelry that you never know what you're going to get, which is really exciting. So yeah, I would definitely be repurchasing some of these when I run out. I have 2 more, I think. So when I finish those ones up, then I'll definitely be repurchasing some more because I think the whole jewelry aspect is just so cool. But yeah, as for the actual product, I feel like I could probably live without it. It's like, you know, a nice fun time product, but it's not something that I would probably repeatedly purchase for the actual product itself, like I do with like my Lush bath bombs and that kind of thing, if that makes sense. Speaking of Lush, I've got a couple shower gels here. First, we have the Rose Jam shower gel. This is one of my all-time favorite scents. It smells absolutely incredible. This is just one of the 100-gram bottles, but yeah, I absolutely love Rose Jam. Like, I can't even explain. Oh my god, guys, I forget how good it is. And yeah, no, so good. I love Rose Jam. 100% will be repurchasing this once I get some of my products down. This one here is the American Cream shower gel. This one looks a bit manky because I didn't clean it out like I did with all the other products. This one smells really good. It's a bit of like, it reminds me of like Sleepy, but like a daytime version. That's how I would describe it. So if you guys have tried Sleepy from Lush, it just smells like that, except like the daytime version. It's like a little bit less lavendery and a bit more like, I don't know, like lively and fruity. I don't know how to explain it. It says cleansing fresh strawberries and lifting fresh orange juice go together like Rama. Guys, hang on a second. Cleansing fresh strawberries and uplifting fresh orange juice go together like Rama Lama Lama Kading Ding Dong. Smell fresh forever as Shuboop Shawada. Yippity boom de boom. It's like they have little references to like movies and stuff like that. And this one is referencing to Grease, which is super cute. What does it say? It says Moorish leathers topped off with softening carrageen extract and herbal clary sage means that you'll be left hopelessly devoted to this shower gel. This is the one that you want, which I just think is so cute. It makes their product so much cooler. It's kind of like a little Easter egg, I guess. I know they've got a shower gel called like Very Very Frightening, and that one's obviously a reference to the Queen song Bohemian Rhapsody. Is it? Yeah, I think so. So yeah, I think those are really cool that they do like little Easter eggy things kind of like that. But yeah, I do really like American Cream. It's not one of my favorite scents. Like it's not like one that I will rush out to repurchase, but if I got it again, I wouldn't be mad. Like if someone bought it for me, if it got sent to me, I'd be happy to have it, if that makes sense. Guys, when I talk this much, it's like my throat closes over. Alright, I have two products from The Body Shop. These two, once again, some of my all-time favorite scents. We have the British Rose Shower Gel, which I absolutely love. The Lush Rose Jam is like a sweet rose, and this one reminds me of like a perfume rose. Like they're very different, but they both smell absolutely incredible. This one smells like a perfume. It just, oh, it's so amazing, so fresh. And I've actually got like a huge bottle of it. So this one was just like a mini, and then I've got like the full size, so I'm very excited that I still have some of that. And then we also have the Mango, guys. This one smells amazing. It's one of those scents that I always forget how good it is, and then I smell it and I'm like, shit. It honestly smells like summer in a bottle. It's so fresh. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love this. I need to buy a full size of it. And then the last empty that we have is from Bath & Body Works. This is the 1000 Wishes Shower Gel. It smells nice. It is a really nice smelling shower gel. I wouldn't repurchase it. I have so many shower gels that I absolutely love the scent of. And like this, don't get me wrong, this one smells really nice, but it's just not a favorite. In saying that, the Bath & Body Works shower gel formula is probably one of the best formulas that I've ever tried. It lathers up so nicely. You only need the tiniest amount and it just goes and goes and goes, and yeah, the lather is so nice, so like thick and creamy and just amazing. I love the Bath & Body Works shower gel formula, and I have some absolute favorite scents from them. I have probably like 10-15 Bath & Body Works shower gels to go through, so I need to work on that. But yeah, that is everything in my empties for today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really excited, and I hope by the end of the year, or like, you know, in another month or two, that I have so many more empties to share with you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!